One, two. Okay, so this is a DJI Neo, just in flight at the moment. We're testing out the voice recording. We're going to just flip this one round. We're going into the sun a little bit there, so we can't see much. So we'll okay, so let's go up just a little and forward. There we are. So now we're actually flying the DJI Neo. Just looking around. This is just a little local playing field here. So let's try rotating around to the right, and that should give us a 360-degree view into the sun. The sun's quite low in the sky there, but now recording quite well now. And we're going to go up just a little again, and then we're going forward. So we're going away from me now. So am I pleased with my DJI Neo? Very pleased. Let's try bring it back towards me. Okay, so you can see me now. And we'll go forward to bring it towards me. And this is flying with the mobile phone app and recording sound as well. So we've got 72% battery. Don't seem to be too windy today. So we're going to try and move into the left. Might not be able to see that too much there. But the drone's responding very, very well, moving to the right. Now you do have more limited range while recording with the DJI Neo when you're using the app on the phone. Obviously you've got the range between the phone and the phone and the drone, let's say. I'm recording my voice here. Going up. Right, so now we're in flight. We've been recording for 3 minutes. Let's go. And just trying out the controls here. Moving very, very well. Responding well to my commands. And moving to the left and the right. Let's just rotate left slightly. Then we'll see if we can fly towards my house. It's flying quite well in the wind. I did try the wind, and the wind's probably gone about a maximum of about 8 miles an hour, so it's coping quite well with the wind. Now we're facing back towards me now, and we're coming back towards me. So it's covering the ground quite well, actually, flying quite well here. I'm definitely getting an idea of the orientation of the drone. So let's see if we can fly it back towards me now. This is a test flight here. We've been flying for 4 minutes. Right, I'm going to fly into the actual battery runs low. So I'm going to try coming down now. So I've got the control is for coming down. I'm going to get with the sun behind me just a little. Right, so we'll come down. And I can see me now. So let's come towards me. Okay, so it's a very, very good test of this actually. What I've got is I've got the motors going for full tilt, and it's a bit of a crosswind, so we're tilted slightly to the slightly over into the wind, and I'm recording my voice now. And it should be working with noise cancellation, so we'll be trying this out now. So this is my test of the DJI Neo. I've still got 45% battery left. And we're seeing what I want to like for vlogging. It's actually the drone is moving about a little bit because of the wind. It's catching the wind a little bit, so it's moving side to side ever so slightly. But it has got stabilisation built into it, and it's controlled by AI. So now we're going to go up again now. Now let's see. Now I want to see if I can tilt the camera down. Don't seem to have that control to do that. Oh no. Right, that's the land control there. Let's just see now, we'll go up. Then we'll rotate it away. And we're definitely going into a crosswind now. So the drone is tilting slightly. And we've been recording for 7 minutes and 40 seconds flying around here. So hope you enjoy my little flights here. Let's go forward. And then back toward me again. I can see me just on the ground there. Very good, quite pleased with this actually, very, very pleased. We tried it with close up and me talking into the drone. I'm going to keep going until it tells me it's time to come home. And then we're going to land the drone and see what happens. But what we'll do now is we'll move it towards me now a little bit. And I'm going to land the drone because we've been flying and recording for 8 minutes now. So let's just see how that works. Let's just see if this, what this does. Nothing, okay. Now we're going to come down. I'll see it quite interesting. I'm going to go forward and get the drone to land in my hand. There. Perfect. So